to change this picture real quick and show you what picture I'm talking about. Number one, here's my picture. Why is this so slow when I do this? Okay, this is, hopefully it'll refocus. My picture of angle one, number one. And then my proof is that I'm given D is the midpoint of AC. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. And we're going to prove that the triangle is congruent. D is the midpoint of AC given. D is the midpoint of AC, and that's given. AD is congruent to CD by definition of a midpoint. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by given. BD is congruent to BD by reflexive. And then the triangle is congruent by side, angle, side. Okay. We're going to go to number 2. We're going to go to problem number 2. We're given that A is congruent to C and BD bisects angle ABC. So, and we're going to prove that the triangle is congruent by ABD is congruent to CBD. We're given that AC is congruent, A is congruent to C by given, and that BD bisects angle ABC by given. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by definition of an angle bisector. BD is congruent to BD by reflexive, and triangle ABD is congruent to CBD by angle, angle, side. Okay, number 3. Number 3, I'm given that AB is parallel to DE, and AB is congruent to DE, and I'm proving that the triangles are congruent. ABC is congruent to DCE. AB is parallel to DE given. Angle A is congruent to angle E by alternate interior angles. Angle A is congruent to angle D by alternate interior angles. AB is congruent to DE by given. And the triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle. Okay, we're going to go over our new vocab word. So please get that out in front of you. Your vocab. Please get your vocab out in front of you. We're learning the term CPCTC. Shh. We're learning the term CPCTC, which stands for corresponding parts of congruent. Triangles are congruent. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. An example would be if I know triangles ABC is congruent to triangle GEF by side, angle, side, then angle B is congruent to angle E by CPCTC. Okay. You are going to use this for your homework tonight. You are going to use this for your homework tonight. All right. I'm going to stop the recording and we will begin to start our new seating chart before we do our next set of problems.